day, human rights activist and politician Aisha Yesufu has publicly raised serious concerns about the conduct of the NDC senatorial primary election in the Federal Capital Territory, alleging that the process was manipulated and failed to comply with the party's established guidelines. Yesufu, who had initially joined the race for the FCT Senate seat under the NDC platform, announced her withdrawal from the contest after she described as a series of irregularities that undermined transparency, fairness, democratic participation. Her allegations have generated widespread discussion among political observers and supporters, especially as political parties across Nigeria continue preparations for the 2027 general elections. In a lengthy statement explaining her decision, Yesufu claimed that the primary election process deviated significantly from what aspirants and party members had been led to expect. According to her, the exercise experienced repeated postponements that created uncertainty and confusion among contestants and supporters. She argued that the delays disrupted preparations and made it difficult for participants to properly engage in the process. The activist stated that many party members who had looked forward to a transparent and inclusive primary election were left frustrated by the constant changes and lack of clear communication regarding the timetable for the exercise. Beyond the repeated postponements, Yesufu alleged that the venue of the primary election was changed at the last minute, raising further concerns about the credibility of the process. She argued that such a significant decision should have been communicated clearly and well in advance to all stakeholders. According to her, the sudden changes made it difficult for participants to plan effectively and contributed to an atmosphere of uncertainty surrounding the exercise. She suggested that these developments created doubts about whether the election would be conducted according to the standard expected in a democratic political party, seeking to inspire public confidence. One of the most serious allegations raised by Yesufu concerned what she described as the abandonment of the party's approved guidelines for selecting candidates. According to her, the NDC had initially outlined the direct primary process that would allow party members to participate openly at local government headquarters across the territory. However, she claimed that the procedure was later altered and replaced with a delegate-based arrangement conducted to a central location. Yesufu argued that this shift fundamentally changed the nature of the election and excluded many ordinary party members who expected to exercise their democratic rights directly. She maintained that such changes should not occur without broad consultations and clear justification. The activist further alleged that the final outcome of the primary election was determined behind closed doors rather than through an open and transparent process involving delegates or party members. According to her, what was presented as a democratic contest eventually became an exercise in which decisions were allegedly made away from public scrutiny. She described the process as one that appeared to have a predetermined outcome, wrapped in procedural formalities. In her view, democracy requires openness, accountability, and genuine participation, and she argued that the events surrounding the primary fell short of those expectations. Yesufu acknowledged that the party has continued to define the conduct of the primary election and has reportedly issued statements describing the exercise as free, fair, and credible. However, she insisted that her experience and observation painted a different picture. According to her, political parties are entitled to present their own narrative about events, but public confidence depends on whether those narratives align with what participants actually witnessed. She maintained that the facts surrounding the primary election raised legitimate concerns that should not be ignored or dismissed. In her opinion, transparency is not merely about issuing official statements, but about ensuring that every stage of the process can withstand scrutiny. The controversy surrounding the FCT senatorial primary has attracted attention because of Yusuf's prominent role in Nigeria's civic and political landscape. Over the years, she has built a reputation as one of the country's most outspoken advocates for accountability, good governance, and democratic reforms. Her involvement in several national movements and public campaigns has earned her significant support among citizens who view her as a voice of transparency and justice. As a result, her allegations regarding the NDC primary election have resonated with many Nigerians who continue to demand higher standards from political institutions and parties. Political analysts say the dispute highlights broader challenges facing political parties as they prepare for the 2027 elections. Internal party democracy remains a recurring issue in Nigerian politics, with allegations of manipulation, imposition of candidates, and procedural irregularities frequently emerging during primary elections. Critics argue that parties cannot effectively promote democratic values nationally if they fail to uphold those same values internally. Supporters of stronger internal democracy believe that transparent primaries help strengthen public trust, encourage participation, and produce candidates who enjoy genuine support among party members. The timing of the controversy is also significant because political parties are currently engaged in selecting candidates for various positions across the country. As primaries continues, observers are paying close attention to how parties manage disputes and address allegations of misconduct. Many believe that the credibility of primary election will influence public perception ahead of the general election campaign season. For aspiring candidates and party members, confidence in the process is essential because it determines whether contests are viewed as fair opportunities or predetermined exercises. Despite her withdrawal from the race, Yusuf's statement suggests that she remains committed to broader democratic principles and political engagement. Her criticisms were framed not only as objections to a particular primary election, but also as a concerns about the integrity of political processes. More generally, she emphasized the importance of fairness, openness, and adherence to established rules, arguing that these principles are necessary for building trust within political parties and among the wider public. Her remarks have added another dimension to ongoing discussions about how political parties can strengthen internal governance and improve accountability. As reactions continue to emerge, attention is likely to focus on how the NDC responds to the concerns raised and whether further explanations or reviews of the primary process will be undertaken. The controversy serves as a reminder that internal party elections are often just important as general elections because they shape the choices ultimately presented to voters. With the 2027 elections approaching, debates about transparency, fairness, and democratic participations are expected to remain central to Nigeria's political conversation. For many observers, the issues raised by Aisha Yesufu go beyond a single senatorial primary and touch on larger questions about the future of democracy, accountability, and political reform in the country. That's all for now on News Express, and if you find this insightful, kindly like, subscribe, and share this video. I'm Chidera Esom. Thank you for watching. Do have a beautiful day.